and governance. If we look at today's enabling platform to facilitate this vision, it should provide appropriate technical, governance, and legal structure to link data and service and products and real-world objects underpinning for this concept. But there are many issues or components involved in that type of platform. So it takes time, and it's a long-term process, and we need long-term support. So we need to be visible. We need to convince our politicians and all jurisdictions. We need also collaboration and cooperations among all parties to better serve or develop that type of platform. Use a quote from our colleagues, Ms. Jude Wallace. The society or government can be regarded as spatially enabled when location and spatial information are common goods available to citizens and businesses to encourage creativity and product development. And it's also defined and as an innovator and also enabler across the society and promoter of e-democracy. Spatial enablement, particularly when we talk about a spatially enabled society and government, is part of that and is relating to the technology, also to the organization involving in that one, and to people. Particularly having connected platform and also connected government. Spatial enablement contributes to the expansion of consultative and also participative government services to the society, such as e-government, policy and administrative through cost reduction, public safety through more efficient emergency management and services, improve utilities of infrastructure, better management of health service and environmental sustainability. Spatial enablement is usually used in a ubiquitous and transparent manner by wide across sections of society. Therefore, looking and working as a whole of government to respond to that. When I'm talking about the ubiquitous, if you're taking and looking to the real world, user, and also taking the cyberspace to connecting users, particularly using different technologies such as sensor network, and particularly geosensor network in that environment, in the ubiquitous space. But if we're taking the services in our society and position that fund in a way that users can better respond and use that type of services with the geo-related information, then we can actually work on that spatial enablement. And of course, the bridge connects the cyberspace and real world to deliver a spatially enabled society. Perhaps a sensor network to facilitate spatial enablement. There are some international initiatives which Asia Pacific, I've already said on that one, Europe, Inspire, and activities by Eurogeographic for developing seamless platforms. In Canada, for the Canadian GDI platform, the best practice they've done. In Korea, for example, the amount of the budget that the government committed and put into that one, and they used 25 to 30% of that on research and training. In Singapore, through the National SCI platform and to development of that Singapore Geospatial Collaborative Environment. In the US, with regarding to the initiative called GLOBE and also National Geospatial Advisory Committee. In Australia, we have done a lot of work, particularly through the public sector mapping agencies for delivering the seamless national framework and also GNAF, which also contributing to the main infrastructure. At the federal level, there are many initiatives by Commonwealth on STI, using STI as a platform in different states, which you will actually hearing more from one of our speakers this morning. But with regard to the vision to have that, this requires that data and service to be accessible and accurate, well maintained and sufficiently reliable for use. as framework, if we want to use that, vision, the drivers, characteristics and elements, implementation requirements, and an assessment method that we need. Spatial ML will assist both developing and developed countries, particularly if we're taking the approach using the platform, SDI, and land administration, and then integrating and using and delivering services through the spatial enablement. We use and we have to enable the past to be leveraged to be achieved the future vision. The common path is shared by other organizations and other practitioners, so we need to work together. If I conclude with some of the wordings related to that spatial enablement significantly improve the performance of development and deliver a better society. It's also spatial enabled society is here to stay and is rapidly offering new opportunity to government and wider society. We need to work together if we want to achieve the vision and to realize that. In that respect, through the GSTI Association, which we have vision to betterment of society through spatial enablement is one of our goals and achievement, and particularly the strategy that we are running currently and with SCI convergence and spatial enablement. There are two initiatives mainly. One is the GIK network, which I would like to invite you all to visit the website related to that, which actually is sharing and providing you with a connection to the practitioners worldwide, and also you can also report your initiatives through this platform that people can access to that and be connected with you. It's a last point that actually is I would like to invite you on behalf of GSC organization and also our colleagues from Singapore Land Authority to the next conference of GSCI 12 with the theme of realizing spatially enabled societies. And I would like also to see your contribution to that. Thank you very much.